morning, you guys. Happy Monday, you guys. Today is Monday, and right now I'm doing my first shopping order, you guys. It's 9 right now, 9 a.m. and I have my first order, $28 shopping for two people, and it's going 5 miles. So this is what I have so far, only two, and I'm shopping for 35 items altogether. Okay, let's go shop. Yo, I need something in here and it's locked up, and we used to have this thing here. You can just push and they're gonna come. But right now they don't have it. So I have to go around looking for person to come open. This don't make sense. Guys, I'm done shopping. This is for A and that's for B. So let's go check out. Our first drop off is 6 minutes away, y'all. Let's go drop our first one. Yo, second drop off. Good morning. Thank you. Here's another offer, you guys. $15 going 5 miles. It's only one drop off. So they already put in my trunk. So right now we're about to go drop it off. Damn, here, y'all. Just dropped our. Let's go back at Walmart. Let's receive another shopping order, you guys. This time it's only shopping for one customer, and I'm so happy about it. $24 going 4 miles, and I'm going to shop for 39 items. It's a lot of items for $24, but hey, let's go shop this order. Let's go shop for this order, y'all. Now all done. Took me a minute, but we are done, y'all. Let's go check out. Just delivered. Oh. Let's go back here. So far, it's so good. I'm receiving orders every hour. That's the goal. So let's go back at Walmart. Yo, we was doing so good. Until 1 p.m. Yo, until 1 p.m. I sat in this car for a whole hour. Right now it's 2:11. 2:11, y'all, without no order. And finally they just give me an order right now. $20 for 10 miles. I said, why not? 2 customer drop off. It's a curbside order, so why not, y'all? Why not? Let's take this order. And I just started and it's showing that it's packing, so let's wait for it to get ready. And yeah, we are loaded up right now, and our first drop off is 11 minutes away, y'all. 11 minutes. Let's go. Okay, y'all, I'm here for the first drop off. This is eggs. So let's take this one, and I'm only dropping over there. My last trip. You guys, this is our second drop off. It took us only 6 minutes to get here. Yeah, ooh, the AC is blowing. Let me turn back down a little bit. It's 4:50, y'all. 4:50, and I just received another offer, you guys. I've been receiving orders in between here. I don't know where I left off. But this job over here, you guys, you need to be on the phone sometimes. Like, call people. You need to talk to people so you can get the day moving. That's what I've been doing sometimes. And this order over here, y'all, it's 8 miles for $23, and It's 3 customer drop off, and our first drop off is only 8 minutes, y'all. Only 8 minutes. So let's go. First drop off, y'all. Let's go to our next drop off. Let's drop our last drop off. It's 5:21 right now. Okay, y'all, I just received another offer, you guys. $19 going 3 miles, and it's a curbside order. It's only one drop off. Only one drop off. Right now it's unpacking, but I'm like, is this a real order? Because it's rare here to get an order within only one drop off, y'all. You can get this order once in 5 months. So that's why I'm like, is this a real order? Only $19 for 3 mile, one drop off. Wait, let's wait and see. But it's still unpacking, so I hope it is a good order. They're gonna bring it out, y'all. So I don't waste my time here waiting for this order. But let's wait. So 5:51 right now, and my order is ready, you guys. Oh, it's a real order, y'all. I'm just super happy about this, you guys. I didn't know like they're going to bring this order. I was so skeptical about it, but it shows it's ready. So anytime from now they can bring my order. Yeah, only one drop off. Yo, I wish it could be just dropping only one drop off instead of 3 drop off. How about that, y'all? Imagine $19 for only one drop off. The whole day doing that. That's a lot of money instead of going 3 places, 4 places, 2 places. Let's get only one drop off at a time, y'all. Let's only get one drop off at a time. My order's here. Hello. Yo, he's done putting my groceries in my car, so it's time to go, y'all. It's time to go drop it off. And it's only 9 minutes away. Only 9 minutes. Let's go. It's almost 6, so I'm planning to do only one more order after this. Only one more. I hope it can be in 20s. And that's gonna be the end of my day. But let's see how long it's gonna take me to get another one. Because I'm planning to get home around 7:30. Right, it's delivered. Let's go back to get one more order, y'all. One more. It's 6:44 right now. I was just walking around in Walmart and I just received a curbside order, you guys. $22 for 6 miles. And it's only 2 customer drop off, yeah. Only 2 customer drop off. So let's wait for this order, yeah. And it's going to be my last one. Whew. Right, first drop off. I'm here. Last drop off. Last drop off. Only water. Yeah, it's 7:24. Anyway, on my last drop off, I got $5 tip. God bless her. God bless her. So it's 7:24 right now. This is the end of my video, you guys. And from 9 in the morning, did I start it? I think it was around 9. If it was not 9, it was 10. I don't remember. I remember, you guys. And I made 187. No, 189, y'all. I made the 189. Hold on, y'all. Try to intern. So you guys, we made $189. $189 plus my tip. That is $194. Oh my gosh, $194. Super excited. This is the end of my video. If you guys enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and I will see you guys in my next video. Today was a good day. Bye guys.